If you think a car wash makes its money charging you $10 to wash off last week's dirt, you're falling for a multi-billion-dollar illusion. Here's the truth. Washing cars is actually the least profitable part of the entire business. In fact, if a modern car wash relied only on dirty cars, it would go bankrupt within 6 months. So how do these quiet, automated tunnels make over $1.5 million a year per location while keeping their prices ridiculously low? The answer lies in a psychological trap hidden inside a 5-cent piece of plastic. And once you see it, you'll realize why Wall Street private equity firms are secretly buying up every single car wash on your block. Let's dismantle the biggest shift in this industry. 10 years ago, a car wash was a seasonal business. Rain meant zero revenue. Winter meant dead weeks. Then came the unlimited wash pass. For $30 a month, you can wash your car every single day. Sounds like an insane deal for you, right? If you go 4 times, you've already beaten the system. Except you didn't. Car wash operators know a secret about human psychology called the gym membership effect. The average unlimited pass subscriber visits only 1.4 times per month after the second month. They are charging you every 30 days automatically. Whether it rains, snows, or you travel out of state, that revenue is 100% predictable. But recurring subscriptions are only the entry point. The real profit isn't in charging you every month, it's in what happens when you enter the tunnel. Why do they spend $300,000 on colorful neon lights and rainbow foam if it doesn't clean the car any better? When you drive up to the pay screen, you're presented with tiers. $10 basic, $15 deluxe, $22 ultimate ceramic shield. Most people pick the middle or top option thinking, I want to protect my paint. Here's the breakdown of what actually sprays onto your car. Water cost, approximately 20 cents per car, thanks to on-site reclamation systems that recycle 80% of the water. Basic soap, approximately 10 cents. The lava foam and ceramic wax, approximately 15 cents to 35 cents total. When you upgrade from a $10 wash to a $22 wash, the extra chemical spraying out of those glowing nozzles costs the owner less than 40 cents. That extra $12 is almost pure 95% profit margin. The neon light show isn't for cleaning, it's psychological validation. It makes you feel like you're getting a high-tech laboratory treatment, justifying the upsell. Yet, even with a 90% margin on chemical upsells, this still isn't where the real fortune is hidden. What if I told you the car wash industry is actually just a mask for a completely different industry? Here is the first major twist. A modern express car wash is not a service business. It's a real estate holding company. Car wash operators don't build on random land. They target corner lots on high-traffic suburban corridors, the exact same prime locations as McDonald's or Starbucks. Why? Because a car wash requires 0 permanent indoor structures. It's essentially a concrete slab with equipment bolted down. If the business operates for 10 years, the car wash pays off the land mortgage using high-margin subscription cash flow. After 10 years, the land itself has doubled or tripled in value. If the car wash succeeds, they win. If it fails, they dismantle the equipment and sell a pristine piece of commercial corner real estate to a fast food chain for millions. Which raises a strange question. If the land is so valuable, why don't they put a bank or a pharmacy there instead? Why specifically a car wash? The answer comes down to a bizarre tax law loophole. Welcome to the financial weapon that wealthy investors use to pay 0 income tax: bonus depreciation. Normally, if you buy a commercial building, the government makes you write off its value slowly over 39 years. However, under U.S. tax codes, car wash equipment and specialized tunnels qualify as personal property or specialty equipment, not a standard building. This allows operators to write off up to 60% to 100% of the entire $3 million to $5 million build-out cost in year 1. An investor with $2 million in tax liabilities from other businesses can buy a car wash, claim the instant depreciation, and completely erase their tax bill for the year, all while owning a cash-flowing asset. So they get land appreciation, tax erasures, and subscription income. But there's a hidden enemy that nearly destroyed this entire model recently. What happens when labor costs skyrocket? Look back at old-school car washes from the 1990s. You handed your keys to a team of 10 people who wiped down the seats, scrubbed the tires, and vacuumed the mats. That model is dead. Labor costs killed it. The modern express model eliminated human hands entirely inside the tunnel. Kiosks take payments. License plate recognition cameras read your subscription tag automatically. Conveyor belts pull your car through. A modern $4 million facility can operate with just 1 or 2 minimum wage employees on site to clear jammed equipment and hand out microfiber towels. By pushing the vacuuming labor onto you, offering free vacuums with every wash, they turn the customer into the worker. Notice how every new car wash advertises free high-powered vacuums in huge yellow letters? You think they're giving you free value. In reality, the vacuum lot is a calculated psychological holding pen. First, it creates visual social proof. A lot filled with 15 cars vacuuming signals to passing drivers, this place is popular and safe. Second, it increases dwell time. The longer you spend vacuuming your car, the higher your perceived value of the $15 you just spent. Third, and most maliciously, it's where they pitch you the upgrade. While you're vacuuming, automated signage or attendants gently remind you that for just $5 more a month, you could get unlimited dash wipes and tire shine. This operational efficiency caught the eye of the biggest sharks on Wall Street. But when private equity stepped in, they uncovered a dark truth about market saturation. Between 2018 and 2024, giant private equity firms dumped billions into buying independent mom-and-pop car washes. Their playbook is simple. Buy 50 independent car washes across a region for 6 times their annual profit. Rebrand them under one corporate logo. Unify the subscription network so members can wash anywhere. Sell the entire consolidated chain to a bigger fund for 14 times profit. By simply grouping them together, they instantly double the valuation of the assets on paper without changing a single nozzle in the tunnel. Because the model was too profitable, everyone started doing it. Private equity flooded cities until 3 different car wash chains were built within a 2-mile radius. With competition skyrocketing, how do they keep pass holders from canceling and moving to the cheaper wash across the street? They use churn delay algorithms. When you try to cancel your subscription online, you aren't met with a confirm cancellation button. You are hit with pause for $5 per month instead. Take 50% off your next 2 months. If you don't use the pass for 90 days, many chains don't alert you. They rely on breakage, revenue collected for services never rendered. This leads to the final, crucial question. Is this bubble about to pop? Or is there one final revenue stream they haven't told anyone about yet? Here is the ultimate reveal. The modern car wash is quietly becoming a high-tech data aggregator. When you drive into the lane, LPR, license plate recognition, cameras scan your plate in milliseconds. That data doesn't just open the gate, it links your vehicle to your home address and neighborhood demographic, how frequently you travel, the exact make, model, and year of your vehicle. Car wash networks are beginning to anonymize and package this localized commuter pattern data for regional retail planners, auto insurance actuary algorithms, and targeted digital advertising brokers. You aren't just paying them to wash your car. Your vehicle's physical location habits are becoming part of the B2B data supply chain. So let's trace the full journey of where your $15 actually goes. Your $15. Wash $0.40 chemical and water costs, $1.50. Labor and electricity, $3.00. Land lease/mortgage, $4. Tax depreciation offset, $6.10. Pure profit plus data asset generation. The next time you pull up to a car wash tunnel, look past the colorful foam, the flashing LED lights, and the spinning brushes. You aren't standing in a cleaning bay. You are inside a hyper-optimized financial machine designed to capture recurring subscription cash, maximize tax write-offs, hold prime land assets, and collect high-margin consumer profits on less than 50 cents worth of soap. It's not a car wash. It's a real estate, tax, and subscription trap disguised behind a $10 rinse.